In this video, I will show you how to add a button of kinetic sand to the Proloquo application. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the folder where we want to add the button. So I'm going to add it to the toys folder. So I'm going to navigate to the page that has like an empty set of boxes here. So the next thing I will do is I will select this little pencil icon on the bottom row. And you'll see there's a plus and like a manila envelope icon. You're going to make a button. So you're going to use the plus icon. So here you'll type in kinetic sand. And here you'll see, if you scroll up a little bit, you'll see there's a series of pictures you can choose that they saw the word sand and they gave you every word with the word sand in it. Now, none of these pictures for me represent the kinetic sand that I want to use. So I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to touch this picture of kinetic sand and I'm going to select choose a picture. And from here, it's going to go to my image library and it's going to select all my recents. And I already took a picture of kinetic sand. So I will select kinetic sand. I will select use and I will select done. And there's my picture of kinetic sand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the word finder feature on the Proloquo2Go application. The first thing you will do is you will go into this black banner to the bottom left. You will select these series of little squares and you will touch that and then it'll open up to a series of options. You will select search. In this example, I'm going to look for the word cookies. So I will type in cookie. And I will select it. And it's going to show you like a series of options you can choose from to get to the cookie. I'm just going to pick the first one. And you'll notice that when you select it, it's going to shade out the buttons or folders that you don't need to touch and only the ones you do need. So it's going to walk me through the sequence to find cookies. So I'll select things, food, cook. I've now found cookies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide buttons and folders on the Proloquo2Go application. So the first thing you will do is you will select the pencil icon in this block banner at the bottom, and you will tap the buttons and folders that you want to hide. So in this example, I'm going to hide is, do, what, you, chat, and activities. And you'll notice that when you select them, you'll see a blue check mark in the top right corner. After you've selected all the buttons and folders you want to hide, you will scroll over here until you find visibility. You will select it, and right now there's a check mark next to normal, which means that it's visible. You will change it to hidden, and you will see that these have turned gray and are not available. You select done, and the buttons and folders are hidden. In this video, I will show you how to unhide buttons and folders on the Proloquo2Go application. So what you will do is you will select the pencil icon in the black banner at the bottom, and you will see that you've already hidden some folders and buttons. So what you will do is you will tap them to unhide them, and you'll see that when you tap them, a blue check mark appears in the top right corner. So you can select all the buttons and folders you want to unhide. And once you've selected them, you will scroll down here and select visibility. And right now you'll see that they are hidden because there's a blue check mark next to the word hidden. I want to have them appear, so I will select normal. And you will see that they are now normal and have appeared. You can select done. And now your buttons and folders are unhidden. In this video, I will show you how to change the voice on the Proloquo2Go application. The first thing you will do is you will select this cogwheel at the bottom in the block banner. Next, you will select the speech and language option. And you will see that there's a voice option here. Select the I next to the name of the voice you are currently using. And it will open up into some options. You're going to change the primary voice. So you'll select, this is primary voice, you will select, and you will choose the voice you want. You'll see that there's two sections. There's the installed voice section and the downloadable voice section. Installed means that they are available right now and you can use those voices. Downloadable means that you will need to download them first before selecting them. I'm just going to select a voice in the downloaded voice section, and I'm going to change my voice to Rod.
Why I'm Rod, the male American English speech synthesis voice from Macaella. Efficient, fast, and of very high quality. Why not try me out with your own words?
Now that I've selected the voice I want, the check mark changed. I'll select back, and you'll see the primary voice says Rod, and then you can kind of just tap out of the screen, and now you've changed your voice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock the menu option on Proloquo2Go and how to hide the edit option. The first thing we will do is we will select this cogwheel, and we're going to scroll to restrictions. So once you get to restrictions, we're going to first turn off the edit mode, which will hide this icon down here that looks like a pencil. So we will just toggle it off, and you'll see that it's no longer green and that the pencil is no longer available. Now that you've hidden the edit mode, you're going to go back to your options screen, and you're going to scroll down to lock options. Here you're going to put a password on, and this will lock your menu. So you'll toggle this on, but since I didn't have a password created, it's going to prompt me to make a passcode. I will just create one really simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll have to confirm. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will save it. And you'll see that it has turned green, which means that the lock option is now on. You can then tap out anywhere, and you'll see that when you go to touch this cogwheel, it's going to prompt you to put in your passcode to get to the settings. And then you select OK, and now you have all your options available to you.